lipunan ng mga tao.
Wait lang. Ay wow, ang daming cars. Nasa syudad na po kami.
Kawawa naman tayo.
Nasa Goa. Naglalagalag, naghihintay ng susundo sa amin. Wag naman, George. Wag kang ganyan yan. Oo nga. Ang saya. Uy, para ang saya dun. Magkano ba? Ay, bata lang yata ang pwede.
Kaya lang, nakahiya. Oo naman, nakahiya sa ulo.
Ang ganda.
Nandito pa lang yung Dumeni, oh. Ayun, punta tayo doon. Bukan tayo sa dyan. Ang cute.
Ang ganda nila, oh. Mga bata. Oo, binibideo ko. Oo, Vlad, ano masasabi mo?
Amazing.
Uy, picture
Something
nyo.
like this.
Video nga, video.
For something extraordinary and something like this. What can you say, Van?
How about you, Van? What can you say? That's all? So short?
Para siyang bula.
How about you, Jervs? What can you say about what you've seen?
I'm speechless right now. And I'm so amazed at this,
Really? It's awesome. Yeah, yeah,
Daming
you can
nakapila,
see.
oh.
Ah, there's a lot of, what's that line? Well,
There's
all
a
I
lot
can
of-
say is that
That is about,
I'm in the season, man.
it's about my expectations and I'm looking forward for this.
Grabe. I can
Actually,
explain the
Robert,
feeling.
just
You know, I wanna
Robert,
try it.
it's right there.
How about
Look at the bubble have the
Oh, so cute. Tapos nahulog ka
children inside the bubble.
Parang taga-US na biglang naging Indian.
Yes. And grabe talaga to. Nakakatuwa. Lenny, you can swim there. Mga buang.
Oh my gosh, they're falling in line, you know. We wanna try it, but
Ay, ang haba naman ng len.
Come on our bag. We can have it there inside. Let's try. That's yes. Yes, hold there, hold. That's right. Over there, hold that bag.
I'm shy because you know they are all kids and we are
No, look at them. Look at those who are falling in line.
yeah.
Ay, masupog ka mo, gari ka mo, thanks.
Why don't we try it, you know?
Yeah, but that's
I know, it's our chance.
That's the
It's our
problem.
only chance.
You know what you can haven't seen that.
Oh, there's a pasta, you know, and the
Oh, I want to left our things. Diba, where's your kuya? I want to left your things there.
yeah.
Can we go there? Tapos,
Let's have a nightlife.
I think so. Tomorrow morning, we're just going to
Mga
get
atat.
things.
Yeah,
That's
you know,
it. All your kuya, you're unlimited call and text.
Bags daw, bags.
Congratulations.
There's a lot of things that we've been, you know. You know what, everybody? It's too much. So please just stop. Okay?
Okay.
Over there. That's what you call CP. All I can say is that I love it. I think I'm gonna experience this someday.
Masupog ka. Baglaan na yun eh.
Is this a tower? Hindi ba mag-iinit ka? Second year. Diba, nursing ba? Wala na. We're going to Ground. Oh. Yes. There's a operator inside. Oh, so we're discriminated. It's okay.
Asan? Wala man. Wala man nag-stroke. Kanina yun, nauna yan. Bago nag-ano yung
You know what? I've realized something that life is not all about everything. There's something more about life. It's not something that